Yes sir, welcome back to another video. So we ain't taking this today. We got the homie right here. Right hand drive, let's go. Sounds so good, guys. I'm actually gonna put an SR on my R32, so I can't wait till my car sounds like this, man. So we're on our way to my homie's house and we see another S14 right here in front. It reminds me when I had my S14. I had my S14 and then this one had his S14. And now we both have right-hand drives. It's crazy. But yeah, whoever this is, nice car, man. Damn, they didn't even look. That's crazy. Yes, sir. Hey, you need to get yours running, fool.
I do, look at it right here.
Hey, this one has the S14. S14 right-hand drive. 240SX. Hey, Hunter, turn it off, fool.
It turns on, but it doesn't fucking run right.
So now we're at this was house. So he was rebuilding. You rebuilt it, right?
Yeah.
He rebuilt his SR. But now it's idling bad.
Yeah.
So we're trying to see what's up with that.
I got a good pickup. She's a child. How you're looking at it is how it came. Besides the strap.
All right, so we're about to swap these out, see if it works on his car. Hey, is that gonna fit on your car, fool?
No, this is fucking huge.
I guess we'll see. Faster.
Damn.
I wish you guys can smell how this car smells. It smells beautiful.
He got the S14 shift now, bro.
Ew.
Oh.
Hey, I think you broke it. God damn.
He's got no clutch.
Or he just broke your car. Hey, look at his smile after driving the car. He's like over here skipping.
Fuck that car.
Damn. It's all good. He's gonna get it running. But he has an SR, he has an SR in mine, and I'm throwing an SR in mine. So we're gonna be the 3 SRs.
Yes,
Yeah, his car is clean as hell. I need to drive it next for real.
I'm gonna get the Aero 23s.
Guess who's driving the boat, guys? Yeah. Yeah, but it's way low. Oh, until we get out on the street, but... Recording? Yeah. Alright guys, we're about to go to the main street. God damn, it feels good. Damn, I gotta wait for all this shit though. That's fucking cheese. I'm driving a race car.
like it though. It's still fun.
Dude, I was just second gear.
That shit put me in my seat, I'm not gonna lie.
Alright guys, waiting the video here. Hey, shout out to the homie for letting me drive it, man. Thank you. I'm gonna add his Instagram right here. You guys follow him because he has a sick car. But anyways, like, comment, and subscribe.